A low-intensity earthquake of magnitude 2.1 hit Delhi today, according to the National Center for Seismology. The earthquake was epicenter around 13 kilometers of the bordering Gurugram and had a depth of 18 kilometers, the agency said. The earthquake with a magnitude of 2.1 Richter scale was recorded 1 p.m. near the Delhi-Gurugram border. The latest earthquake had its epicenter at a depth of 18 kilometers from the ground. The Delhi-NCR area has witnessed over 10 low to mild intensity earthquakes over the past 2 months, with the latest tremor being felt in the Delhi-Gurugram border region on Monday. Since April, Delhi-NCR has recorded more than 14 quakes of low and medium intensity. Of these 13, only the quake occurred at Rohtak was above 4, which falls under the medium intensity quake. News Desk.